The fat cat on the mat may seem to dream of nice mice that suffice for him or cream, but he free may be, walks in thought, unbowed, proud, where loud roared and fought his kin, lean and slim, or deep in den, in the east, feasted on beasts and tender men. The giant lion with iron claw in paw, and huge ruthless tooth in gory jaw, the pawed, dark-starred, fleet upon feet, that oft soft from aloft leaps on his meat, where woods loom in gloom. Far now they be, fierce and free, and tamed is he, but fat cat on the mat, kept as a pet, he does not forget.